Hello students, today I am going to explain a new chapter. That one is called decimals. First of all, we have to know what is a decimal. A decimal is similar to a fraction in that it is not a whole number. It is a part of a number. We use decimals most often when we are talking about money. When we are writing money, that time rupees and paise are separated by a dot or a point. That one is called decimal point, like that. Now, a decimal is like a fraction because it is a number between 0 and 1. So here 0 0.1, 0 0.25, 0 0.5, 0 0.95. I have given some example over there. You just see. Now, decimals are often added to whole numbers by joining them to the whole number with a decimal point. So some examples I have taken over there like that: 1.1, 2.25, 4.5, 6.95. Now come to the next example. Here I have taken one number 65.894. Here 65 is a whole number and 894 is a fractional part. Is that clear, children? Now these two parts, 65 and this fractional part, you just they are separated by a point. That one is called decimal point. Is that clear, children? Now come to the next. Expanded form for decimal numbers. So here we have to expand this decimal number. So I have taken one number 34.7. So here 34 is a whole number. So 3 is in tens place, so 30 is there, and 4 is in ones place plus 4 I have written. Now after 0.7 is present, so this place is 10th place. So I have written over there 7 by 10. Like that you have to write. Now come to next number 3.482. Here 3 is a whole number and it is present in ones place. So I have written 3 into 1, so value is 3. Like that after decimal 482 is present. So I have written over there 4 into 1 by 10 because this is a 10th place. Like that 8 into 1 by 100. So this is the hundredths place after decimal. Okay, after decimal point. Now come to next, and 2 is in thousands place. 2 into 1 by thousands. So like that you have to write. Now I have written over there values. So 3 into 1 is 3. Here in 10 you just notice 1 0 is present. So from the right hand side you just leave one place and give a point. So this one is 0.4. Like that you just notice in 100 two zeros are present. So you just leave two place from the right and give a point. So here 0.08. Is that clear? Now come to next. So here in 1000 three zeros are present. So you just leave three place from the right and give a point, decimal point. So number is 0.002. So now expanded form is 3 plus 0.4 plus 0.08 plus 0.002. So like that you have to write. Okay. So this is the expanded form of decimal numbers. Now come to next. So this is the place value chart. So here 100 place is there, tens place is there, and ones place is there. This is for whole number. Okay. After decimal point 10 place is there, hundreds place is there, and thousands place is there. Is that clear? Second one number 19.34. So here you see in tens place 1 I have written, and in ones place 9 is written. After decimal point you just see 3 is written over there 10th place and 4 is written in hundreds place. Like that you have to this place value chart. Okay, some more examples I have taken like 45.672 and 245.59. Okay, Like that I have arranged. You just see. Now come to the next. So here reading and writing decimal numbers. So here I have taken one number 85.64. So 85 and 64 hundredths. Is that clear? Like that you have to write, or you have to write like that 85.64. Okay. Now come to next. One more number I have taken 2.452. So you can write 2 and 452 thousandths or 2.452. Like that you can write. Is that clear, children?